If you don't like space but still enjoy mind-blowing facts, then this video is for you. Buckle up. 1. Did you know a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus? Yep, it spins so slowly it takes 243 Earth days to rotate once. 1. Our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with Andromeda. In about 4 billion years, they'll merge into a mega-galaxy. Space is completely silent. There's no atmosphere for sound to travel through. Quiet and eerie, right? 1. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. Just a sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh 1 billion tons on Earth. 1. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches. Mind blown. 1. The footprints on the moon will stay there for millions of years. No wind, no rain, no problem. 1. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Even hotter than Mercury thanks to its thick atmosphere. 1. There's a planet made of diamonds. 55 Cancri E is twice Earth's size and loaded with carbon. 1. On Mars, sunsets are blue. The Martian atmosphere scatters the sunlight differently. Finally, black holes aren't actually holes. They're incredibly dense, massive objects with gravity so powerful even light can't escape. Stay curious, space enthusiasts. Until next time, keep looking up.